All right, so today is going to be another hot dog day. We are going to start off with our assignment. It'll be a quick 10-question quiz. If you get above a 70 or above on that, you are good to go. You can move on to the hot dog portion of the day. And if you get below a 70, then you'll have an opportunity to do your corrections. Once you get to part two, so part one will be the quiz, part two will be the hot dog day. If you are not on my missing work list, and if you do not have anything that is below a 70%, then you are going to move on to Amplify Reading. If you have missing work, we need to get that done because today is the last day before progress reports go out. And if you have anything that is below a 70%, we want to make sure we do our corrections on that. So if you have any questions, please let me know.